are playing Brookhaven.
But with the
Brookhaven!
with them.
But it's Squid Game.
Kuha ko chipian sa mida.
My God.
Ako yung dala!
God. God.
Dal.
Mayon.
Okay. Ano ba yung damit ng squid?
Meron nga dito.
Sa police?
Hindi. Sa mga damit. Squid Game.
With them.
Squid Game. Ay, ako yung player number. Yung player number,
My God.
Player ako.
Saan gabi?
Yun nga sa mga damit. Sa mga pang babae pa lalaki.
We're not going to give her her signature. We'll save that for God mode. Actually, one of her best ones is going to be forgeable. Yes, this Hakushin ring here. You will need an Electro on your team, but being a small DPS, I think Electros are going to, be pretty good for her anyway.
Like
My
them.
favorite friend did say talks highly about it often, and I just thought about it and was
Teka,
like,
teka.
actually, should be pretty good for her.
Puppet.
Go ahead and grab 5 of them, R5 it. Because it's forgeable, I think that's fair. I think not
My God.
looks like
Yeah.
but
God.
let's go ahead and enhance it. It doesn't have EM
Cute.
She does need energy as well. I'm saying that is her second most important stat.
Tatawanan ka.
Besides EM and energy recharge, I don't think it's any. So for this video, at least we will force
lobat na agad to.
Player ka gabi.
Let's look at
Yung yung babae na unang namatay.
first. And there we
First
go.
blood.
That's a lot of base attack.
First blood.
But let's go ahead and auto add before we crafted. I mean, yeah, it's a 20% elemental damage bonus. It's something we're gonna have to look at a little closer, but
Die.
shouldn't be too hard to see.
Full time
Elemental
squid.
damage bonuses
Routine
usually
pass.
are reflected in the stat page here. So I mean, of course, you
I
really
played this game
there are some
before.
other ones, just like Codex,
Bawal.
typical support, energy,
God.
sacrificial
No.
fragments just has a lot of bonus mastery, so that'll help with personal damage. I don't think the passive is going to be that useful.
Señorita,
Why?
Especially these things within TM main stat here.
Full time
The passive is going to be
free.
very useful for the team, like in the case with Hakushin Ring or if it
Ah.
has Codex. Energy recharge is also good. For artifacts, absolutely, we are going iridescent, though not a crit damage triplet. I do want to go triple EM. As it just kind of is with a lot of EM scalers. Sadly, I don't have that many good pieces, but for her, it honestly doesn't matter. You just want to get as much EM as possible. And yeah, pretty much any off piece is fine. I guess we'll try and get one with a lot of energy recharge like this. Steal that from Sucrose. So we are sitting at 700
In a bag of
mastery.
money.
155 energy recharge actually might be a little low if you want to try and burst every rotation. I mean, reverse is only really important for its healing aspect. So if you're trying to solo heal with her, especially with free, and it probably be more important to focus
I
on
played
recharge.
these
We can
games
sacrifice a little
before.
energy recharge if we deem it necessary by swapping around some substats. But I'd say let's just start with this and talk about
Señorita,
I think the
excuse me.
main
With me,
unfortunate
routine
thing
pass.
is that she kind of does want to heal, but not
With
one
me.
shot.
Wait.
Attacks, which is unfortunately a good chunk.
Señorita, excuse me.
Me.
Section
Oo nga,
With
eh.
me.
character, her pets attack by themselves.
Not
Shaman
Not
Pyro
that.
its
Oh,
own
Goblin.
Shaman, you almost always want to run her with Benny, mostly because of the energy, but also, because she
Pero
gets
ano
snapshot.
may
It works
may
well. So
mga
I'm not sure I'm doing
kasi.
Shaman today. Honestly, after looking through the characters, I don't see like a ton she'd be great with.
Oo.
We do need to slot
Oo.
an Electro in there. I think
Yes.
Nico is going to be good, official, and even I think Auroron these days, off-field, no requirement, normal charge attack, whatever. I do prefer to keep first showcases, free to play friendly, but I'm having a hard time. Like, we probably could make a solid all-star team, but I kind of want to try this to start. It's basically just like Electro Charge, Frina and Nico do solid off-field damage. Auroron with his 4-piece Cinder, nice little buff. Yeah, I know this isn't a free-to-play team by any means. I mean,
No.
R4 it's just this kind of see what's going on. Like, if she's not at least kind of impressive in this team, I'm not sure what hope there is. I know she's a lot better with constellations. I just don't
Saka man ako, next siya.
constellations.
Alam, may bumabaril sa akin. Napaka-OA naman pa.
actually going to start with Masanori for the showcase. You might try at least one other team. Typically, raising modes are more just to learn about the character and not necessarily showcase them. But so no Farina buff currently going, but
Misterioso.
during the challenge. Okay, yeah, I mean, I think that was about right. So she herself gets off. GMT. The
I played this.
honestly, it's pretty balanced. You know what? Next moves.
Ayun na, okay na.
Why put sabi?
Mastery is kind of getting melted. I don't know. I feel like it should be considered light electro. She has the ammo damage bonus. Let's go to Farina. She doesn't have that. She's no double. Does Rowan have it at least? 66.6?
No.
But yeah, I guess.
Ano ba?
I just.
Ano ba? Ikaw daw eh.
Ano skate talaga eh. Baka ang bago dyan. Bakot din yan! Tayo sa ulit! Ano ba yun ay? Ay! Hindi po ka. Ano ba? Kayo daw po. Nay.
B,
Ayun.
what are you?
Bakit kaya ka?
Oh my god!
Bakit kaya?
God!
Wait lang, wag kang gumala.
God! Quick, die! Die! What? Ba?
Wait lang. Picture.
Ikaw!
Ikot ka, Reggie. Paano mag-SS dito? Tapos mo, Reggie, lumapit ka dito.
Lumapit ka dito sa amin!
Ito?
Oh my god.
Wallpaper?
Oo. Yung wallpaper ah. Tama.
Hindi yun wallpaper, ano lang yan.
Wallpaper.
Ya, ano ko to? Thumbnail ko. Thumbnail ko yun.
Thumbnail video?
Maglagay ka na ng ano. Maglagay ka na.
I do understand.
Ikaw magsabi ng red light, green light ha. Kasi ikaw yun
Try
tayo.
again without her.
Ako.
We're not gonna bother waiting with
B!
Lalagay.
swells.
No, failure!
In or left.
No, B failure!
Couldn't carry.
Big God!
Like,
Abi, guard!
Guard.
Ako daw yung ano.
Failure!
Yes,
Ba yan?
Farina hours. I mean,
Yeah.
obviously we're gonna try and have supports that deal damage, but we're gonna try to
Dami mong alam.
use for these.
No, Nick boy! God
Ayoko
boy!
lang boy. May lalaki, may babae kayang guard.
Yung ano,
as well. Although
yung
previously
healer.
Yeah.
you gotta place those down again. I don't know how to use her. Oh no, I double tapped E, so she immediately went up. To start off, we're just actually gonna not do Nico's burst anyway, so
Nick head!
we're gonna test that, and I guess everything.
No.
Ano na dito lalo?
Yeah, 145. Anyway, no, Cinder City doesn't work here. I just realized because
Good!
there's no one that can do night soul attacks.
Good stop!
There's no electro drive coming, so yeah, I don't think that's new.
Dapat tanggalin ko yun.
Ha? Sky, parang tanga. Sarap. Kaya dyan.
Wait lang. Kukuha lang ako ng barel. Sniper.
Sniper.
Big God!
Waifu. Oy, sasali din daw to na ako.
Sorry, wala pa pala ako eh.
Okay. Go. Kokuha ko pinasambita.
Dagat!
Harap!
Ayaw humarap.
Parang ka! Ulit nga, ulit nga.
Atin! Nan!
Wait lang, matagdag tayo. Kukuha ko chick. Kukuha ko chick. Kukuha.
Di YouTube!
Hindi, dito yung meron yan.
Red light, green light kasi.
Eh,
Meron sumali din oh. Si ano, si player 196.
wait, wait. Ay, bakit eh?
Tagal?
Wait lang. Red light, green light. I still see your face in the wall.
Dali.
One no sound. Dagat!
Green light.
Dagat!
Yeah!
Ay, namatay na eh.
Yan?
Yeah.
Sige.
I can't put favorite that.
Bye. Sabi together.
Dito sabi ko sa kanya, mingaw tayong
Sabi ito, pangit eh. Hindi ko mabit eh.
What? Well,
Chingalichungkeke.
home.
Chingalichungkeke. Chingalichung.
What? Ah!
Mag-open ka ng mic. Diyan may mic ka, diba?
Oh, dito may tumalo.
Ay. Chingalichungkeke. Chingalichungkeke.
Bakit yan?
Tuktak! Pip pop! Pop! Up, 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 pop!
Ano gagawin?
Ay!
Ano gagawin sa prop? Wala naman ata ditong pangminggel.
Ano paminggal dito?
Wala din eh.
Ay! Ikot, ikot. Ay!
Porta.
Opo. Just, ikot, something.
Saka na sa laptop gabi para may Legend, Thanos.
Ay, wait. Sa YouTube na lang tayo.
Nagawin ka na ng mga ganito sa gilid.
Ikot. Ay!
Siguro na to. Kaya naman. Maglagay.
B!
Wait lang. Asan ba? Meron. What happened? Ay.
Yes. Sabi, kasi itong gusto ko.
Group yourself into four.
Four! Rob!
Wait lang.
Ah! Here, jumping here. Four! Yeah! Pa! Teka lang, sit ko! Ala? Doon tayo sa wala, oh. Again.
Prompting.
Ito yun. Again, lagay natin.
Ha? Ayun yung Squid Game ko. Hindi kasi
Squid
mukha
Game?
dito eh.
So ito, yung Squid Game tayo.
Why?
Para maganda.
Oo nga, hindi kasi ano dito sa Broken Events.
Pero itong laro natin dito, magre-real Squid Game tayo. Mingle na lang. Para wala yung wala yung mga mahirap. Di ba?
Yeah.
Mingle lang tayo?
Well.
Mingle na game. Tara, Gabi.
Bye everyone!
Bye everyone.